Introducing the 95-8275B, a new dash kit solution for the 2005 to 2011 Toyota Tacoma. This stereo installation kit is engineered to help you install a 4-inch tall aftermarket radio into the original vehicle dashboard. This dash kit helps simplify radio replacement and is painted scratch-resistant matte black to match the original look and feel of the vehicle's dashboard. Installing an aftermarket radio can upgrade the sound quality and provide additional features the original factory radio couldn't offer, but this dash kit is required to make it fit. Stereo installation kit designed to fit any standard 4-inch tall aftermarket radio or ISO single-DIN radio provision with pocket 88-009004 sold separately. Painted scratch-resistant matte black to match the factory finish. Replaces the existing 95-8214 and 99-8214 dash kits with a new and improved bracket design for added radio support. Made from the highest quality ABS plastic for an original factory-like fit and finish. Includes mounting brackets and hardware parts needed with detailed installation instructions. A tech support number is available for installation help 7 days a week, 1-year limited warranty. If you would like to see the full installation video, click the link on the description below. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterfaces.com for antenna adapters, audio-video, and steering wheel control interface options. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.